It begins with a single drop, nature's purest elastic. Each tree yields just half a cup per day, precision harvested. Stabilized at source, purity preserved from forest to factory. Every kilometer monitored, consistency is non-negotiable. From jungle to industry, a seamless handoff. Welcome to precision engineering, where nature meets science. First test, viscosity, pH, solids content, no compromise. Only certified latex. Precedes the foundation of trust. Controlled chemistry, strength engineered at molecular level. The transformation begins one dip at a time. Flawless surfaces essential for uniform thickness. A microscopic primer ensuring perfect release later. Controlled immersion, the birth of form. Strength at the edge, engineered for reliability. Purity refined, comfort protected. Controlled dehydration, preparing for molecular bonding. Heat-activated strength, the science of resilience. Precision cooling, locking in performance. Gentle extraction, preserving integrity. Every unit accounted for, traceability from start to finish.
One defect in 10,000, and it's rejected.
Dry, clean, ready for final touch. Ready for the final touch. Precision lubrication, comfort engineered. Hermetic protection, shelf life guaranteed. Organized efficiency, ready for the next layer. Traceable precision from batch to box. Secure containment, ready for distribution. Ready for distribution. Engineered logistics, stability in motion. Protected for journey from factory to world. Smart logistics, every unit tracked. Strength verified, science in every sample. Precision measured, consistency engineered. Time compressed. Reliability proven. Safety validated, trust engineered. Every detail seen, perfection pursued. Retail ready, brand integrity protected. Secure shipment, quality contained. Smart stacking, stability engineered. Journey protected, from dock to destination. Digital traceability, every unit accounted. Final gate passed, trust delivered. Paperwork perfected, compliance ensured. Precision handoff from factory to freight. Climate preserved, quality protected in transit. Secure journey, engineered for arrival. Sealed with trust, journey begins. On the move, quality in motion. From Thailand to the world, protection delivered.
And this is how modern factories produce Durex condoms from start to finish.